Friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I be all designing developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Today I will show you how to build one React Giphy search box project in React.js, and I hope you will also enjoy this project like you're enjoying my previous project of React.js. So let's start. Now here you can see I've just built this React Giphy search box project in React.js. So first of all, you can see we are getting the white background here, and then underneath that we are getting our heading and all the things like paragraph also. Then underneath we are also getting our whitish color, but it is not a white, it is like a white color. And then underneath you can also see its heading, which is called get started. And underneath that we are also having this paragraph, which is called like React Giphy search box is a powerful React. You can just read these all. Then we are also getting like documentation and GitHub, and underneath we are also getting our basic responsive demo here. And you can see that we are getting all the gifts like we want in search box. You can see that, and there is also the code of that. You can copy that here, but I will be just telling you how to do that. And underneath there is also the stickers, like because gift and stickers are same, so because of that there is also stickers like that, so you can also take that from here. And underneath just there is in the last there is a copyright section, in that where is written like copyright logo. Then after that there is written 2021 Sergio Pedicini, so you can just read that all. Now here we will be just building that with React.js. So for building that you have to open your text editor, which is called Visual Studio Code. So I'll be going to my search bar and writing Visual Studio Code, and then I will be opening that here. Now here when you have just opened that, you have to just go to its terminal. Now when you just onto its terminal, just you have to select your location first of all, where you have to make your React app or folder. So I will be just selecting the location of like local disk E if I do. Then if I press enter, you can see we are just in our local disk E. Then here you have to make your React app. So here I will be writing like npx, because previously I have telling you npx is a command for creating a React app, and npm is a command from running your React app in your local host, like in your default browser Chrome or Opera which you are using. Then after it I'll be writing like npx create, like I've telling you. Then I will be writing this dash. So you have to take care about that what I am writing, so you have to also write that, because if you miss any of the step here, so you will be just having trouble and you can't just do anything like that. And you can see we are also getting this npx create. Then I have written dash. Then after that I'll be writing this React dash app. And here when you've written that, just after that you have to just come forward and create your title name. So our title name should be like just I will be writing. So here we were making like React Giphy search box, so I'll be writing that Giphy search box. So here when you've done that, just you have to press enter and it will be just created. So here you have to don't have to write app, because it is an app but we will be not writing. So here I will be pressing enter. So here you have to just wait some of the while, because it will be just extracting data, then downloading some of the like things. So now here you can see that we have defined these all things, and now we have just downloaded all the things related to our project which we need. And now I will be just closing this terminal and open my project, which is in local disk E. So I will be just opening folder, then going to local disk E and open my folder. Okay, so just my folder will be just here. I will be just scrolling down. Here it is. Open that by pressing select folder, and our folder has been opened. Now here we have to just delete some of the test file, like I've telling you here. So now I will be just deleting these 3 files. So here we have delete. Now I will be going to my app.js and deleting all the thing which we have written in diff, and I will be just zoom in so you can see. And now here you can see that we have deleted all the things. Now I will be going to my app.css, and I'll be deleting all the things in that also. And here I will be hitting save. Go to index.css, go to the top and write a thing which is called margin. Now so margin I will be needing of 0 pixel or 0 you can write. So you have to hit save, and you have to go to your file which is called app.js. now we will be just working on with later on. So I'll be going to app.css and writing a tag which is called now margin 0 pixel, padding 0 pixel, box sizing which should also be 0, border box. Now so I will be writing font style, this should be none. Then I'll be also writing another thing which is called text justify, inherit. Then after that I'll be writing text align, center. Then I will be also writing font size 15 pixel, then the font weight 600. And after that I'll be writing font family Montserrat, comma sans serif. Now I'll be writing, just write sans serif after that. So here I will be coming underneath and creating another tag which is called border, 1 pix solid white, and I'll be also writing like justify content which should be in center. Then I will be writing like align item should be in center, and I'll be also writing like display which should be of block. So just correct the spelling. So here when you've done that, I will be coming underneath and creating another tag which is called float left. Then I will be coming underneath again and creating a tag which is called border radius which should be 12 pixel. Then write border color white. So now here when you've done that all things, just I will be coming and creating border left 100 pixel, border right 100 pixel, border bottom 100 pixel. So here we have created that. Now I will be writing border width which should be 100 pixel, then the line height which should be 100 pixel, and border style also. So write border style none. Then I will be coming underneath and creating width 100 pixel, and I'll be also writing height which will be 100 pixel, and create another tag which is called border, and I will be just writing, just I will be erasing that. Now here write border which should be none, outline none, and then after that I'll be writing list style none, and create list style type none. Then I will be coming underneath again and creating a tag which is called flex direction column, then letter spacing. So create letter spacing 2 pixel. Now come underneath and create flex wrap which should be wrap reverse. Now create another tag which is called flex grow, inherit flex basis which should be content. Then create flex shrink which should be inherit. Come underneath again and create flex flow which should be column. So here we have done that. Now I'll be also writing the direction which should be column. So it should not be column, it should be inherit. So just come underneath again and create now the background which should be white. Then the background position should be white, and here the background position X which should also be white. So write that white. Okay, so it should be center. So I'll be writing center. Now I'll come underneath and create background position Y now because we have created X. So I'll be writing Y. Then create background attachment which should be fixed, and create background size which should be cover. So create that cover. Now create background, but now I will be writing background origin content box. Then create background clip which should be content box. Create background repeat which should be repeat, and create another tag which is called background blend mode. So create background blend mode color 1. So here when you've done that, I will be coming underneath again and creating a nav index which should be current. Then I'll be creating nav left current, and then you have to also create like nav right current, and create another tag which is called nav, and I will be writing nav down current, and just write nav up also current. So here we have done that. Now I will be just hitting save, and if I show you in the Google Chrome, it will be just ready. So here you have to just style that. So go to Google Chrome and you can see that now our React Giphy search box is ready. So here you can see underneath we are getting all the gifs and sticker which we want. Then here we are also getting the codes which we have written already. So here it is, we have just made that, and in the last we are also getting our copyright section. So like that you can build your own React Giphy search box in Java in React.js. I hope you understand this project, and I hope you also enjoy this project like I enjoy my previous project of React.js. So just you have to practice this all project we are working with, and I hope you will be a good programmer of React.js also, like you're of Python, HTML and CSS. So I will be just meet you next project.